Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. So now I will to respond to an issue that happened in Indonesia recently. The issue I will respond to is that is an issue. What if a motorcycle enters the toll road? I agree with this issue because maybe by making a special toll road, motorcycle users can reduce the congestion that occurs in Indonesia, which in fact, in my opinion, is mostly the reason for traffic jam in Indonesia because there are too many motorcycle users. And another reason why I agree is that with the construction of toll roads specifically for motorcycle users can increase this country's income. It also provides benefits for motorcycle users who also pay vehicle tax. Oh yeah, I forgot one thing. There is a government regulation number 44 of 2009 concerning toll road which reads, on toll roads can be equipped with special road lanes for two-wheeled motorized vehicles that are basically separated from the toll road lanes reserved for four or more wheeled vehicles. Yeah, that is. Okay. That is my argument about one issue in Indonesia. Thank you for watching. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.